Hi, I'm Rebecca Faulkner, and I'm here today to talk with Steffi Gold of the Employability Project about the Earned Income Tax Credit and how it can benefit people with disabilities who want to work. Steffi, so what is the Earned Income Tax Credit?
The Earned Income Tax Credit is a tax credit that you can get for working if your income is low enough to qualify. It's a refundable credit that varies based on your earnings and filing status, and in some cases you could get up to as much as $6,000 back in your refund check.
Okay, so you can get the check even if you don't owe taxes?
Right, you do have to file your taxes to show that you're eligible, but there are places people can go to get free assistance with that.
Okay, won't the extra income from Social Security disqualify people with disabilities from receiving the Earned Income Tax Credit?
No, Social Security disability benefits and SSI benefits don't count against you when you apply for the Earned Income Tax Credit. And there's no need to worry about the tax credit refund check affecting your disability benefits because Congress recently passed a law to make sure that that wouldn't happen.
That's good to know. You mentioned that low-income disability recipients can get free help with receiving the EITC.
Right, there's free assistance centers set up to provide tax assistance to people who have a financial need, and you can find one of these so-called VITA sites by calling 1-800-829-1040. And here's an interesting fact. The IRS estimates that 1 out of 4 people who are eligible for the Earned Income Tax Credit aren't taking advantage of it. So we're encouraging anyone who's already working to find out if they're eligible.
It definitely sounds like a great opportunity for someone who's already working. But is it worth it for someone with disability benefits to risk their safety net in order to return to work? What if working doesn't work out?
That's a good point. People with Social Security benefits frequently worry that they'll lose their safety net if they return to work, but people are surprised to find out that in most cases they can typically keep their cash benefits from Social Security if they're working from part-time, and they can keep their Medicare or Medicaid, or they can try working more and earning more and maybe lose their cash benefit, but they could keep their Medicaid. So there are also some other protections I'd like to mention, like the expedited reinstatement under Social Security. And in case working doesn't work out, these protections can help people.
Okay, how can people find out about these programs?
People in Arkansas can call the Employment Sources Hotline, and that's a way to find out what work incentives are available to help them get ahead in working.
What's the number for the Employment Sources Hotline?
I was hoping you'd ask. It's 1-866-283-7900.
Well, it sounds like the Earned Income Tax Credit is a great chance for people with disabilities to get a new benefit from working.
I agree. I hope this information will help some people find out how to take advantage of it.
Thanks for explaining it to us.
Thank you, Rebecca.